turn your wheel around where Daddy's at. No, the other way, you don't hit the post.
He knows how to drive. Kind of. Are you stuck? Oh, that's awesome.
Stuck in the mud.
His first. All right. That's called being stuck in the dirt. Go. Push on the gas. There you go, buddy. Look out, where you going? Look out.
Don't run into my car! No, quit that.
All right, stop.
You got to brake the front of your car.
Now you got to put it in reverse.
Put it in reverse and go backwards.
Let's go in reverse.
That
in
thing
reverse.
there.
Remember, pull it up. Now, there you go.
No, go backwards.
Now pushing the gas.
Oh, here. Stop. Stop a minute. You're going to back it up.
All right, put it in forward.
Push that thing down again.
Put it in drive and go forward. Our son's a stop and go driver. Don't crash into nothing. Look out. Look out. Don't crash.
Turn it.
Good job. Turn. All right, wait. Turn back. You're going to hit the porch. There you go. No, don't. Stop. Don't hit. No, stop. Son, don't hit it. You're not supposed to hit stuff. Back up now. Put your car in reverse. There you go. Go a little further. A little further. A little further. Now put it back in forward.
Shut down. And drive forward.
Turn your wheel so you don't crash.
The other way, yeah.
There you go. Now go. Just stomp on the gas and go. There you go, buddy.